I'm redoing a bathroom from the probably 1960s or 70s that has this fake plastic tile on it. I want to do a short video showing how I removed the tile, my two methods of doing it that have worked real well for me. This glue underneath is the part that's going to be hard to get rid of. I essentially take an old screwdriver that's kind of a soft rounded blade on it and put it about a 45-degree angle to get started with these. And just pound them off like that. I find that a drywall tool like this, because it has a real thin blade, can be very helpful when you want to go after some of these pieces that are kind of hard to get under. You can get the corner under, but the screwdriver seems to work a little bit better. After this, the hard part will be to get rid of that glue to see if I can apply real tiles to this. This drywall underneath, not drywall, probably a concrete board, is so good I'd like to preserve it, but I'm not sure I can get rid of that glue. Good luck with your project.